What's up everyone? Today's the day we're going to add some color to the razor. What color you may ask? Well, glad you asked. Light green or teal, depending on how you look at it. It's the color the wife picked out to go with the gray on it. I think it's going to go really good with it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. We're also going to be adding more of this color in other places on the razor. Let me know where you guys want to see this color added on the razor as well. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how to install this on the razor. And just let me know if you guys have any questions. And make sure to smash that like button. Alright, first thing we're going to do is pop the grill out, which is just 2 tabs up top. Grill pops out, easy. Next, we got tape, and there is, I don't know if you can see them, I'll try and look at them. There's 4 of those nuts there along the top that got to come out. Pop those out, and then we'll go to the next step. Alright, after you got the accent trim or accent light off, depending on which model you have, the 2 upper tabs, so the 2 tabs up here in the center, you're going to take these brackets like so. Come on, focus. So the cert nut will be on the towards the razor. It's going to go like that over that tab, and this one's going to go over this tab like so. So it's going to look like that, and then it's just going to go right back in place to where it was. Alright, that's what the tabs are going to look like. So they're going to go like so, and then you take your grill. Bottom tabs are going to go into where the stock one went. So you're going to fit it in there like so, and then you're going to put it up, line up your nuts there, your Allen heads, and tighten it up, and then you're done. Easy as that. And that's what the final install looks like. I need to wash that up. I like the color on there. We'll see what else we add for color. Like I said, comment below.